This Mangoal 4K dash camera is designed specifically for the Ford Explorer U625 generation, tucking neatly behind the rearview mirror so the cabin still looks factory clean. Video quality is impressively sharp, thanks to ultra-high-definition 2160p recording with a bright lens and modern sensor that keep details clear in both daylight and at night. The integrated wireless connection and companion application make it easy to review clips on a phone, save important moments, or move footage to a computer without pulling the card. Continuous loop recording combined with an impact sensor means everyday driving is captured efficiently while critical incident clips are automatically protected from being overwritten. Installation is straightforward because the package includes vehicle-specific adapters for auto-dimming mirrors and rain sensors, avoiding the need for splicing wires or awkward cable runs. The bundle feels complete, with a generous memory card and a range of mounting and wiring accessories backed by a year of manufacturer support for added peace of mind.